Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Benjamin here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the main track magnet on CapCut. In other words, when you're editing your movies or videos in CapCut, and this section, like when you cut out some section out of your video, and sometimes the video like automatically merges back to the main video, and sometimes it does not, and this could be sometimes frustrating. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it so you can be able to save time and move on as quick as possible. I hope this was helpful, and if it does, please take the time to like and subscribe and follow for more how-to quick videos like this. It is quite easy, quite simple. All you need to do is just to turn on one icon, which I'm going to show you right here. So when you come up here on CapCut, you see this section part right here. You want to come here where it says turn on main tracking magnet, which is this one right here. So when you turn this on, this automatically takes the video. Like when you cut out some specific part of a video, this automatically merges it back when you have this turned on. So let's just give it a try. You come up here and you click on it. As you can see right here, the video jumped back to its original position. All right, I'll show you this again. Let's click on this part of the video. Let's come up here and just cut it from here, like so. And you see this part of the video right here. I'm going to try to delete it. Let's come up here and delete it. You see it's like hanging and it's not merging back together because this is turned off. But immediately as soon as I turn this on, you see it jumps back and merges with the video right here. So if you've been having trouble trying to figure this out, it is just one click up here. I hope this was helpful, and if it does, please take the time to like and subscribe and follow for more how-to quick videos like this. Catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace.